Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are breaking down whether SteamOS is better than regular Linux. So let's jump right in. So here's the deal. SteamOS is actually Linux. It's just a special version designed specifically for gaming. That means one isn't outright better. They're just built for different purposes. So let's start with SteamOS. SteamOS is based on Arch Linux and is fully optimized for gaming. It comes with Proton, which lets you run Windows games smoothly, and the whole system is plug and play. No terminal commands, no complicated setup, just install and start gaming. It automatically handles driver updates, firmware, and Proton versions. And if you're gaming on a Steam Deck, SteamOS gives you the best experience, hands down. But what about regular Linux? A standard Linux distro like Ubuntu, Arch, or Pop! OS shines when you want full control. It's better for coding, productivity, customization, video editing, servers, basically anything outside of gaming. SteamOS can feel limiting if you're someone who wants deep system tweaks or multiple desktop environments. So, what's the verdict? SteamOS is better for pure gaming, while regular Linux is better for, well, almost everything else. And if you want a mix of both, Pop! OS with Steam and Proton gives you gaming and productivity in one clean setup. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!